We really want to be the infrastructure for the industry to facilitate a real adoption for our customers. We're not just the guys selling you that printer, we're actually the guys that can provide you the infrastructure where your digital IP protected parts are safe and secure. You can just hit the button overnight and next morning your part is ready to go. We are the only supply chain provider in the world that has partners to actually build that environment.
When you look at our product line, what you'll see is industrial grade equipment. Our customers should come to find support from us in flexible materials all the way up to rigids, all the way up to metals. We have a network of partners, but what we do is we have those engineers on the ground that can work through those issues and help you find what tool is right for the job.
And this is how we really developed, our overall value proposition. It's not like we're going in there selling them, we're answering their calls and answering their questions because they come to us with specific problems saying, hey, here's exactly what I need to do. How do I get there? So when we look at a problem, we work with them on the type of machinery they want, but mainly we just want to look on the solution. Traditionally, people have done 3D printing for prototypes and haven't really fully utilized the digital inventory side. One of the primary things people are doing is having a twin of their inventory. So you have your physical inventory and your digital inventory.
Think of it the way cell phone or email affected your business. Cell phone and email affects every single department because it makes you communicate better. Your purchasers are in charge of finding and procuring this part. Your engineers are in charge of designing it and make sure it's going to work. Your supply chain people make sure it's there on time. And this technology underwrites all of those functions because it can give it to you faster and more on demand. Do we need to be having planes, trains, and automobiles moving different components from all these different sites to make one final assembly, or are they going to print it? Why not put that on a hard drive and pull that down when you need it? It's lightweight, there's no dust that it collects on, it doesn't require square footage to hold it, but yet you still have that part readily available in a convenient way.
We make it very easy for our customers to integrate that technology in their existing CPS and VMI solutions, where it's not really a new thing, it's just an addition to the Würth service that they're used to.
We have the global infrastructure today where if we can add this new technology, this new value add, we can do it very, very quickly. We have the expertise, which is digital, so if we're using virtual reality to help you repair things remotely, if you're in some very exotic location, or if you are somewhere where it can be on site, you have that background, but then we have the bricks and mortar and the warehousing and logistics knowledge to make sure that you're always running. We're a multi-billion-dollar organization on value-added programs around industrial goods. And so as you look at how we service our customers in the future, we view this as a giant tentpole subject going forward. And it's not one or the other, it's how do you blend the two to maximize your cost.
We've seen a lot of companies utilizing this technology as a change management tool within their organization to streamline everything. And there really isn't anything that we can't do within this because this stuff works, it's repeatable, it's accurate, it's not hard to use, and it gives you just a ton of cost savings, and it's only going to get greater.